Hey friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's YouTube. So you're probably wondering, what in the world is she doing today? Well, today for my dolly friends, I wanted to show you what I do with my bottles. I know a lot of my dolly friends like to put the liquid fabric softener into bottles. I guess they use fabric softener and some water to give it a milky substance in there. And that's really cute. I like that. But you have to seal the nipple, I guess from the inside. You would seal the nipple with some, like, I don't know if you could use hot glue, but the E6000 or epoxy or something like that. And then they put the glue around the ring and glue it and seal it onto the bottle so that it doesn't leak. But eventually that fabric softener will turn moldy, and then you just have to throw the bottle in the trash. I'm way too frugal for that. Even though this bottle was $1 at Dollar Tree, I'm still not going to throw my dollar away. That's just me. That's just me. I would feel guilty. So anyway, also, I don't really do role play as in I'm feeding a baby. That's cute, and some people really enjoy that, and I've never even tried it, so I don't know if I would like doing that or not. But I use my bottles for photo props, and so I just kind of put it by the baby or prop it up, for the baby like it's feeding. And so I just want my bottle to not look empty. And this doesn't look like milk. I'm not saying that it does, but it just gives the bottle to look like something's in it. Like it's just not clear where you can see like the pink dress all the way through the bottle. So I just wanted to put something in my bottles so that they did not look empty, so it just, not that they look like it's milk in the photos, but it just looks like it's just not an empty bottle. And you can fill up this nipple if you wanted to. But anyway, so I just was doing this today, and I thought I would just share with you guys. And see, also, putting this in the bottle brings out the little design on the bottle for when I use it in photo props. So I'm just showing you, and see, I didn't stuff this all the way. You can still see there's lots of holes. But it just gives, like if it was just laying there with the baby or in the baby's lap, it just gives the bottle something so that it's not empty. Here's a cute little bottle that I found at Dollar General. I like this one because you can put it like a baby's hand in it. I'm using totally the wrong hand, but you can put it up like a baby's hand through this opening here. So I would like to get a boy one of this one day. These Avent bottles, I have a large one and a small one. I found these at a thrift store for 50 cents a piece. So that was a really good deal. Most of these come from Dollar Tree though. This is a Dollar Tree bottle. The rest of them come from Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure. Except this one came from Dollar General. And I didn't buy them all at one time. Just when I go in Dollar General to pick up household things that we need, I will look down the bottle aisle. If I see something that I don't have or, interesting. I'm trying to just get different colors to go with different outfits, sceneries, or whatever, So anyway, that's what I'm doing today, and I thought I would just share with you guys how I stuff my bottles for photo purposes. So this is a cute little bottle. Okay, so I'm just using the same polyfill that I use in my crochet projects. And I'm just going to get some out right here. And I'm just going to kind of fluff up my stuffing. Take about half of it. I just stuff in my bottle. And another bit. I do stretch it out so air can get all up in there, just as if I was stuffing a crochet project. And there we go. Like I said, it's not just solid. There's a big air pocket right here. I could take something like a crochet hook or some kind of wand or stick or something and stuff that down in there really tight, but I don't feel the need to for my purpose. So there we go. I have this Elmo bottle that I did get at Dollar Tree for sure. And I just want something white in there. So I'm going to take about half of this and just stuff it in there. And there's a big air pocket right there, but it's on the back side of the bottle. I'm not going to, excuse me, I'm not going to worry about that. Just give it a little bit more. That's enough. I don't know what I was doing. That's enough. So there we have it. And I just have a couple more bottles over here that came with random, I believe these came with random Amazon dolls. So I thought I would just stick a little stuffing in there and see how I might use them as, you know, a photo prop or something. Blue one. Recently when I went to Dollar Tree, I went for the purpose of actually finding some bottles that had blue on them because I had all pink bottles in my collection, and so I, you know, wanted to get a couple of bottles that had blue on them, so when I take picture of the boy dolls, they could have a blue bottle. I just really enjoy taking pictures of my dolls and having props with them and, you know, posting them on Instagram. You know, living my best life. Doing what makes me happy. This is whatever I want to do. This little bottle has a little elephant in a car. And I have an idea for some bottles. I don't know if it'd work for any of these bottles. I might need to get some bottles without anything on them, but I do have an idea that I want to try out, and I will make a video of that if it works out. So there might be more bottle videos coming. But here we go, guys. I think I have plenty of little bottles here. And if I see a bottle while I'm in town, if I see a bottle that, you know, I think is, oh, there's a hair, that is cute and would make a cute little photo prop and cheap, I would probably pick it up just to add to my little collection here because they are cute. One thing about it, my babies are not going to outgrow their bottles. That's what I say about their clothes too. When I you know, buy my doll clothes. I know this is a bottle video, but I buy my doll clothes at thrift stores mostly. But once in a while I'll buy something at Target or Walmart. And not that their clothes are expensive there, but, you know, I'm paying more than $2, $3 like I do at thrift stores. So if I pay, you know, $9.99 for an outfit, I always just tell myself, well, one thing about it, she's not going to outgrow it. So here's my bottles, and I just wanted to show y'all that, what I'm doing with my bottles. And I'd love to see videos about how you're using your bottles. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you, and I hope you come back. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you're welcome to share this video with your other dolly friends. I appreciate you for watching. Bye, guys.